Yo, YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. In today's episode, we will be answering 4 amazing questions. Number 1, should you still buy Yeezys? Number 2, is the new Yeezy 350 Boost Mono Pack any good? Number 3, we will be taking a look at kung sino ba talaga ang idol ko sa YouTube. Who do I idolize on YouTube? We actually get to meet him today on this video. And number 4, what are the latest products available over at Unbox Greenhills? So if you guys are excited to find out the answers to those four questions, keep on watching. Tara, let's go. So should you still buy Yeezys? Well, if you ask me, if you already have a pair, be it a Yeezy 350 or a Yeezy 700, you should only try to buy it, number 1, if it's for retail, and number 2, if you really love the design. Kasi Kanye is pretty much coming out with so many Yeezys on a monthly basis, and I don't see the need or the urge to buy one for resale unless you really love the design and it's not far off from the retail price. So kung meron ka na, good for you. If you don't have one and you really want to buy one, now's a good time to pick one up because there are more and more Yeezys coming out, and the resale prices have actually gone down compared to the first time you would have paid if you wanted to pick up a Yeezy. I remember the time that Yeezy Zebras were reselling for like over 50,000 pesos, and now you can get one at such a better price. Now, the next question in our vlog is the Yeezy 350 Mono Pack any good? So those who don't know, Kanye and Adidas came out with a new pack of Yeezy 350 Boosts called the Mono Pack. So it's 4 colorways, and then all of them uses some sort of like monofilament design for the upper instead of your traditional stretchable, super comfortable prime knit. So is it any good? We actually have a pair over here from our good friends, Good Souls PH. So this is actually the Yeezy Boost 350. I think it's called like the Monoclay. Yeah, here you have it. It's the Monoclay. So I did get it in size 12.5. It usually retails for 13,000 pesos. The going resale price here in the Philippines right now is anywhere from, I think, around 16 to 17,000 pesos, depending on the size. Now, ooh, that looks weird. So yan siya. So this is the Yeezy Monoclay. Now, to be honest, I wasn't planning on buying this because I think my 350 phase has pretty much ended, and I am enjoying my 700s more. However, my favorite Yeezy 350 Boost V2 colorway has always been the clay. What's different? So if you take a look at the upper, previous prime knit, super stretchable, comfortable is gone. You have this monofilament style na parang kulambo eh. To those who don't know what kulambo is, it's like a mosquito net here in the Philippines. So that's what the design reminds me of the upper. Everything else is the same. You have that same rubber covering the Boost midsole, and you have that pull tab, which also uses now a much weirder plasticky material. Actually, that's what it feels eh. It feels like the upper is plastic. It's no longer that luxe knitted material that you got with the previous 350s. So this one has more of a plastic vibe and feel more than anything else. And I'm not sure if that's a good thing or that's a bad thing. I personally, I still prefer the previous, V2s or the V1s. This ain't it for me. It's nice, but I wouldn't call it like a big win. So, yun lang yung my opinion, no? Anyway, so if you guys want a pair, again, there are 4 colorways that are coming out. I'll put a picture somewhere here of your other choices. I just want to pick this one up again because I'm kind of leaning towards this color, at least since I'm a huge fan of the original V2 clay. What do you guys think of the Yeezy Boost 350 Mono Clay? Let me know in the comment section. Is it a cup? Is it a drop? Is it something that you will sell? So let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear from you guys. I'll try to reply to as many of you as possible. Now, at this point in the vlog, I want to bring you guys along with me. We'll head on over to Unbox Greenhills very quickly to check out what are the latest cabinets. So those who don't know, Unbox Greenhills is our new shop. It's all about sneakers, collectibles, toys, NBA cards. We have over 100 vendors or sellers or merchants renting cabinets, boxes like we call them. Recently did our grand opening. I will link somewhere down there or up here to the video where we announced and shared what happened during the grand opening. Pero for now, sama kayo, tingnan natin kung ano ang latest. O nga pala, keep on watching until the very end kasi yung last part ng video na to, doon ko re-reveal kung sino ba yung idol ko na YouTuber, and we actually get to meet him on or her on camera. So, Tara na talaga! So guys, we're here at Cabinet 31. So para sa lahat ng mga naghahanap ng bagong lason for mechanical keyboards, I know a lot of you are into this. Especially our good friends, sila Mary Bautista, sila Alvin. So guys, ito yung para sa inyo, Box 31. So brother, Baki Kentol, tell us more about what you have over here.
Hey guys, we're Zion Studios. So we're the premier destination for everything mechanical keyboards in the Philippines. We carry switches, we carry keyboards, we carry a lot of stuff. A lot of them are in group buys actually. So, but we do have a lot of in-stock items, and a couple of them are here in Unbox in Greenhills. And yeah, you can check out our switches. If you want to try out switches, you can try them out here personally, because a lot of people parang find it hard to buy switches blindly. So like, this is the chance for you guys to check
experience
them out,
it first.
Experience it
Yes.
first before, to be informed before you buy the switches.
Ayan. So guys, make sure to check out Box 31. You also have a YouTube channel, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Ano pangalan, brother?
It's Zion Studios PH. We do sound tests, we build guides, we do chill builds and everything. You should go check it out.
Okay, link to their YouTube channel down below. Okay, so we're here at Box 48. Brother, baka you can tell us a little bit about what you plan on putting inside?
So I'm selling stuff from the things I love. So first thing is Japan, cars, and fitness.
Boom.
So yeah, these are actually a combination of the things I love, Japan and cars, because all of those are from Japan. And
So those are like rare model cars.
yeah,
Okay.
I have more to come.
Nice.
So here is an Ichiran instant ramen. So yeah, as you can see actually how to order. You get this stub here. That's actually a replica of the actual
In Ichiran.
ticket from Ichiran.
Nice.
And you also have some resistance bands here.
Ooh, oy, naalala ko yan ah.
They're coming. Got some more here.
Okay, panalo. Okay, so guys, make sure to check it out. 48. I know a lot of people from Gold's Gym go here. So if they're looking for like resistance bands, at least they have something to go na.
Yeah,
Diba?
we'll actually have them right here in the lower corner.
Plug mo na rin IG mo.
MR2 Sports.
Yun, I buy a bunch of stuff from this guy, so make sure to check it out. So, eto na guys, meet na natin yung sa mga pinaka-idol ko na YouTuber. Kasi guest siya ni Mrs. Babe, kawin ka naman. So, si Mrs. has a YouTube channel together with Gerard, called Ka-Asenso. And yung guest nila today, ito na yung guest nila. Tingnan natin. Diyan na ba?
Hello po.
Hi!
You know? Idol! Pare, kamusta na?
Okay naman po, okay naman. Okay.
Lagi kita pinapanood ah. Kailan ba tayo gagawa ng video together?
Tingnan ko siguro medyo masikip lang yung schedule ngayon, pero pagka okay na, sabihan ko po kayo agad.
Yun! Guys, si Ninong Rai. Idol ko yan. Pinapanood ko yan palagi sa YouTube. Kaya ako nagluluto dahil dyan, di ba?
Ay,
Ayun.
nakakatawa naman yun. Totoo ba yan? Totoo ba yan?
Oo naman. Tanong mo pa si Mrs. Di ba, babe? Oo, pinapanood ko palagi yung mga
Masarap po
video mo eh.
magluto?
Oo. Dahil gusto ko kasi kung mag-explain ka, very hindi lang pa-cute. Yun talagang may logic. So I appreciate that a lot.
Yes.
Oh, yun.
Apo. Thank you, sir. Maraming salamat. Na-appreciate.
Oh, yun. Oh, yan. Hayaan ko na kayo ni Mrs. tsaka ni Gerard. Wala lang, sumingit lang ako. Hey, and that's today's vlog na, Kalu, no? I've met so many people who are like celebrities or, influencers that are big time or government officials or even like corporate titans. And yet, this is like one of the few times na starstruck ako. Ganun kakalakas sa akin, Ninong Rai. Anyway, with that said, this is Carlo signing out. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.